Hi everyone. So here we are going to start with the next session of numerical solutions for chapter 1 measurement and experimentation for class 9 physics for St. Thomas School Ranchi, and today we are going to see the numerical related to screw gauge. So here we have this first numerical. The pitch of screw gauge is 0.5 mm and the head scale is divided in 100 parts. What is the least count of screw gauge? So in this numerical, pitch of the screw gauge is given as 0.5 mm and the head scale is divided in 100 parts, and we have to find out its least count. So here you have these two diagrams of screw gauge. So you can see here clearly that what is the pitch here. So this shows the main scale, this is the circular scale. So as it is given here in the question that pitch of the screw gauge is 0.5 mm. So pitch of the screw gauge is 0.5 mm. So from this diagram you can understand what the pitch here. So pitch means that when this circular scale is going to rotate for the one time, then how much shift is going to occur in this main scale. So here you can see the scale clearly. So how much shift is this is given in mm. So when this circular scale or this thimble is going to rotate for the one time, okay, and how much shift is going to occur in this main scale, that is going to give the pitch of screw gauge. So according to this question, the pitch of screw gauge is given as 0.5 mm. So means that when the circular scale is rotated for one time, it has shifted to 0.5 mm in its main scale, and total number of division is given as 100 parts. So how to find out the least count? So we are going to use the formula pitch of screw gauge divided by total number of divisions. So pitch of screw gauge is given as 0.5 mm divided by 100. So in mm we will get the answer as 0.005 mm, and in centimeter 0.0005 centimeter. So this is how to find out the pitch of screw gauge. Next, so in the case of next numerical, what it is given that the thimble of screw gauge has 50 divisions. So this means that this, so here this circular scale initially in the last numerical it was 100 division, and in this case it is given the circular scale has only 50 divisions. So the thimble of a screw gauge has 50 division. The spindle advances 1 mm when the screw is turned through the 2 revolutions. So means that when the 2 revolution is done, then this spindle advances to 1 mm. So this means that when the circular scale is turned for 2 times, then in a main scale it has advanced to 1 mm. So in this case, what is the pitch of screw gauge and what is the least count of screw gauge, we have to find out. So as it is given, the 2 revolution of spindle advances to 1 mm. This means that pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm divided by 2, it is 0.5 mm. Then to find out the least count, we are going to use the formula pitch of screw gauge divided by total number of divisions. So pitch from here we got 0.5 mm and total number of division is given here as 50 divisions. So we'll get the answer as 0.001 mm as least count for this question. So next numerical. So next numerical is the pitch of a screw gauge is 1 mm and its circular scale has 100 divisions. So means that here this pitch means that when this circular scale is turned for one time, it has advances to 1 mm, that is called as this pitch of a screw gauge is 1 mm and the circular scale has 100 divisions. So next what the question is given, in a measurement of the diameter of the wire, the main scale reads 2 mm and 45th mark on the circular scale. So main scale is 2 mm. So means that as you can able to observe here the reading. Suppose it is given here as reading from 0 to 5 mm. So as it is given in the question, the main scale is 2 mm. So means that this spindle might have come to this position of 2 mm. Here this is the simple diagram given and the 45th mark on the circular scale. So means that this circular scale here this circular scale. So maybe in this circular scale this would have read to 45th mark, means that this line what you're observing it would have marked on the 45th division. So based on this we are going to find out the least count. So to find out the least count, first we have to find out, so with the help of formula we will find out the least count. So pitch by total numbers of divisions. So pitch is given here as it is in question, screw gauge is 1 mm. Pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm and total number of division is 100. So pitch of the screw gauge is 1 mm and total number of division is 100. So least count of a screw gauge is 0.01 mm or 0.001 centimeter. And next what the question is given here, that the main scale reads 2 mm and 45th mark on the circular scale. So here, so we are going to have the tabulation. MSR means main scale reading, SGR means screw gauge reading, which is equal to circular scale division into least count, and then we are going to add main scale reading plus screw gauge reading. So MSR plus SGR we are going to add to find our answer. So according to question, the main scale reading gives 2 mm. So 2 mm is here, which is equal to 0.2 centimeter, and the circular scale is 45th mark on the 45th mark. So this is your circular scale division 45 and least count 0.001 mm. So it is 0.045 centimeter, and then we will add both 0.2 plus 0.045. So we'll get the answer as 0.245 centimeter. So means that to find out the least count, first we have used the formula pitch by total number of divisions, so 1 mm by 100, and then we have used this tabulation to find out the diameter of the given wire. Next, so next in the book, question number 14, this diagram is given, and what this diagram tells here, that the diameter of the wire with a screw gauge, the screw gauge advanced by one division on main scale when circular head is rotated once. So means that when this circular scale is rotated for one time, it in a main scale it has advanced to one division. So means that with the help of this we are going to find out what is the pitch of screw gauge. So to find out the pitch of screw gauge first, so as it is given here, the screw gauge advances by one division on the main scale. So we are going to consider here that pitch of the screw gauge is equal to 1 mm. Then we have to find out the least count. Then to find out the least count, we are going to use the formula pitch by total numbers of divisions. So how we are going to get the total number of divisions? So here in this diagram, what you are observing, this I'm seeing the mark 0 and this is 40 here. So this means that from here to this division it is 45, and now from here to this up to 0 mark, so it will be 50. So means that this circular scale has 50 divisions. So therefore, to find out the least count, we are going to again use the formula 1 mm by 50 divisions. So it is 0.02 mm. And then again we are going to use the tabulation MSR, SGR means screw gauge reading, which is equal to circular scale division into least count, and then we are going to add it. So according to the diagram given, so what it is given here, how much, what is the reading of main scale? So from 0 it has started, so then it is 1 2 3 4, so it has crossed 4 mm in this mark, therefore MSR is equal to 4 mm. Then in circular, then for the circular scale division, so this line, this main scale line, where it is going to match, so it is going to match with, this is 40, this is 45, then 46, and then 47. The circular scale division is 47 into least count. Here we got the least count as 0.02 mm. So when it is multiplied with 0.02 mm, we got the least count as 0.94 mm. And then we will add 4 plus 0.94, we'll get the answer as 4.94 mm. So here for this diagram, we got the pitch of the screw gauge as 1 mm, least count of screw gauge as 0.02 mm, and the diameter of the wire is 4.92 mm. So next question is given here. A screw gauge has a pitch equal to 0.5 mm. So pitch of the screw gauge in this case is 0.5 mm. What should be the number of divisions on its head so that to read the correct up to 0.001 mm with its help? So means that in this question what it is given, the pitch is given and the least count is given. So this correct up to 0.001 mm means that in this the least count is given, and here 0.5 mm gives the pitch of screw gauge. So directly we are going to use the formula least count is equal to pitch by number of divisions. So this number of division is equal to pitch by least count. Least count according to the question is 0.5. Sorry, pitch of the screw gauge is 0.5 mm and least count is 0.001 mm according to the question, and then when we'll divide we'll get the answer as number of division, which is equal to 500. So what does this mean? This means that this circular scale usually used to have 100 divisions, but for this particular question this circular scale is going to have 500 divisions. So this means that according to the question, that pitch of the screw gauge equals to 0.5 mm. So means that when This circular scale is going to rotate for one time, means that the 500 divisions is going to rotate from 0 to 500. Then it is going to advance in a main scale for only 0.5 mm. This is the pitch of the screw gauge, and as well as it gives the correct reading up to 0.001 mm. So with the help of this formula we got total number of division. Hope you will have understood what is screw gauge. Further, for more clearance, when we will start the lab session for class 9, you will understand it very well. So thank you for now.